Hello and welcome to Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton. Today we're taking a look at a 2022 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury featuring Crystal White Tricoat with a jet black interior. Under the hood sits a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission. Some features include heated front seats, heated steering wheel, a power sunroof, power liftgate, backup camera, forward collision alert, and much more. Taking a look at the interior, here's our door. We have memory seating, powered windows and mirrors, Bose speaker down below, as well as our liftgate controls. Taking a look at the seats, down to the bottom left is the power seating and power lumbar. We can hop inside. Taking a look at the steering wheel, here on the left side is our cruise control with forward collision alert, lane keep assist, and the heated steering wheel. And on the right side, we have our cluster as well as audio controls. Taking a look at the infotainment screen, starting off with our audio, it comes equipped with AM, FM, Sears XM, and we can connect a phone using Bluetooth. We have turn-by-turn directions from OnStar, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Throwing it in reverse, here's our backup camera. Just below that, we have our climate controls with heated front seats. Some stored down below as well. In the middle here, we have our center console controls, or our infotainment screen controls, 2 cup holders, wireless phone charging, and the center console. Popping that open, we have 2 USBs as well as a ton of storage space. Up at the top, rear view mirror. Just above that, OnStar and SOS with 2 dome lights, universal garage opener, and the sunroof controls. Here's the power sunroof, and here's the other side of the vehicle. Moving on to the exterior, here are the wheels, color matched mirror caps, and door handles with keyless entry, privacy tint on the rear windows. Making our way to the back, of course, we have some Cadillac badging, XT5 and all-wheel drive. To open up the back, we can either double click on the key fob or just push directly under the Cadillac logo. We have a ton of storage space back here, lights on either side for added visibility. We also have some hidden storage down below that houses the spare tire jack with some extra space and a storage cover for privacy. It's a very spacious rear, and we can close it up by just pushing the button. Now checking out the rear interior, here's our door. We have powered windows, cup holder down below. We have a 60-40 seat split, and we can hop inside. The back of each seat, we have magazine holders. In the middle are rear vents with some storage. And down at the bottom, 2 USBs. Up at the top, handles paired with a dome light, matched on the other side. And in the middle here, we can drop this down to reveal an armrest with 2 cup holders. We get a great view of the power sunroof, and here's a view from the back. Thank you so much for joining me for this quick review of the 2022 Cadillac XT5 Premium Luxury. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. We hope to see you here at Wolfe Cadillac Edmonton very soon.